But moving to the first meme of today's stream, guys, there is a lot we have to break down between Trump, this executive order, the PPI reports, as well as all the bullishness coming to XRP and Solana. But this cracked me up. Why is crypto like this? I have to ask you, chat, why are we like this in crypto? 100K in Bitcoin in 2024. We've all felt rich. We felt like we were on top of the world. We're going to go to the moon. But 100K Bitcoin in 2025, dude, it feels like we are a part of the LA Skid Row at this point. I mean, it is like everybody is panicking. We're in a bear market at 100. And Matt, TJ, what would have your reaction been last year or a year and a half ago when we were on the stream and Bitcoin is at like $19,000? And I were to tell you, you know, I would be bearish at 100K.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty wild to see how fast people's emotions swing. You know, we were talking, I was joking around with Drew yesterday. He's like, oh, I was at this a week ago. I was like, well, that means you'll probably be back there in a week. You know, people forget it changes so fast because you're right. People freaking out at 90K saying like, oh, it's over, pack it in, bull market's done. You know, to me, that's why, again, you've heard me say it 1,000 times. I track the time from the halving more than anything else because when you're tracking the dollars, your emotions can get very misleading. You know, your emotions can take you down paths that may or may not be true. You know, and so when you zoom out and you look at the macro, when you look at what's happening in the world, it's very hard to see any type of pullback. And, you know, again, I said the other day, like, hey, what is this? You know, what do you think about this? It's like, I really don't think anything about it. I feel nothing when I see some of these pullbacks because all I know is the world, the globe, the richest, most powerful people in the world are talking about Bitcoin more than they ever have before. They're buying Bitcoin more than ever before. They're investing in it for a longer time period than's ever happened before. And so it's still crazy to me when I really think about the massive wealth shift that's happening right now. Like, it's been amazing to watch the last 10 years, and for sure watching Bitcoin do what it's done. It's definitely made incredible strides and created a huge multi-trillion-dollar industry. But what's happening right now, what's happening in 2025 and probably continues to happen into 26 and onward, is a true wealth transfer that's bringing all the old money of the world, you know, into this one asset. That's what's really crazy thing about, like, wealth isn't, you know, created or destroyed. It's just transferred, right? And it's getting transferred all around.